This is your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. Very necessary. I want to use this opportunity to thank every one of you for the likes, the comments, the subscriptions, and the views. Oh my God, it's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. And that's my favorite Bible verse. If you are new to my channel, thank you for joining the winning team and welcome. Fall in love with my recipes and share the videos to your friends and families to also join this big winning family here. Yes, today I am sharing with you how I prepare one of African's condiments, black pepper sauce or Shito, popularly called in Ghana, which means pepper, because it can be very hot. Trust me. Try this recipe and add a wonderful flavor and taste to your meals, and you are gonna love it. Shito can be served with rice, kinke, banku bread, etc, etc. I even tried mine with shemema biscuits. That's the cream crackers, and it was great. I bet you will love it. So please, let's get started. I have my basic ingredient, that's my onions and my shallots. The shallots, that's the magic. Adding shallots and local garlic to your shito is so these are the shallots and these are the local garlic. So I combine the local garlic and the exotic garlic, and it's great. So I also have my ginger, and then I have my olive oil. This is about 1 liter. You can use any oil of your choice, that's also okay. Then I have my fish. So this is the powdered dried herrings, amania owl. Yes, and then this is my powdered shrimp, and then this is my shrimp. I want to enjoy some chunkiness in my shito. And this is my dried chili pepper, also powdered. You can use the chili flakes, that's okay, but I prefer this because I don't want the seeds in my shito. Yes, so I am adding a little twist. So this is my exotic canned beef. And then I have a quarter tomato puree. It's very necessary we incorporate some tomatoes just to reduce the hotness, because sometimes the kids will also enjoy. And then I have my 3 tablets maggie. Yes, I am not adding salt to it, so this is what I'll be using for my seasoning. So let's start cooking. So I start by prepping all my ingredients. All vegetables are neatly washed. So I chop my onions, ginger, garlic into blendable sizes like I am doing here. Yeah, so now I put them in my blender, and you can see my blender is full, so I divide them into 2. I blend the onions first, then I blend my ginger and my garlic, but I blend them with oil. Yes, oil makes the cooking process very simple and smooth. So I have preheated my pot, and then I add my olive oil and allow it to be ready for the onions. So you can see, yes, I'm trying it, it is ready. So I pour in my blended onions, which I did with oil. So you can see how gentle it's doing. Yeah, if you use water, it's going to splash and it's going to mess your cooker, and sometimes if you're not even careful, it can even splash on you. But when you use oil, it's so smooth. Yes. So I add my blended ginger and garlic. You can see also smooth, and it's doing very gentle, no splashing. So I stir and stir and stir. Shito is all about stirring. So So today, Operation Stirring Contingent, we are on duty. We are going to stir till the shito is ready. The moment you forget about it, your shito is going to burn and it's going to be sour. So you need to stir and stir. So you can see I am stirring, and trust me, the aroma coming out is superb. My kitchen smells so good. Oh my god. The shallots and those local garlic are doing great. You need to be here, friends and family, to understand what I'm talking about. But I know you try it at home, so no shaking. So you see, they are doing great. So I need to stir and allow it to cook so every moisture is absorbed. So at this point, I add my pepper. Yes, shito is all about pepper. So I stir for it to incorporate and infuse the onions. You can see some chunky onions in it. Yes, my blender didn't blend all, but I love it because I'm going to enjoy it. And sometime before the shito is ready, it even melts away, so that's okay. Like I told you, stirring committee, we are on duty. So I add my tomato puree, spicy but a bit. Yes. So after adding the tomato puree, I stir for it to infuse the onions, the peppers, and everything. Abi, you know what that. So I stir and stir and stir. Yes, so it doesn't burn, and also for it to incorporate properly. The aroma is superb. Friends and family, you need to be here. Wow, shito ibe de black pepper sauce papabi. So at this point, I add my fish. So this is my powdered herrings. And that's 1 cup. Then I add my dried shrimp powder. And once I incorporate this, it's going to absorb all the oil, and you see the color is changing. Now the black pepper sauce is unfolding. You can see it has absorbed all the oil, so I'll top up with another oil, like about a cup of it. But once it's cooked, the oil will resurface again. You can see this. So now I add my Ezetecan beef. You can use any meat of your choice. Shito Eveee. Eveee the papa. Please come and join me. Let's eat, okay? Oh, thank you, Jesus. So I stir. You see, the color has changed. So I stir, and then now I add my shrimp, just the chunk for me to get some chunkiness in my black pepper sauce. And I add my Maggie tablets as my seasoning. Like I told you, I wouldn't add salt to it because my canned beef is salted. So after adding, I stir it for a while, and you can see it's doing great. Yes. Stirring committee, we are working. So I add a teaspoon of black pepper for more flavor. And our black pepper sauce or shito, it's almost done. You can see once the foamy part resurfaces, then it means our shito is done. So I'll just allow it to cool down, and then I bottle it, and then we enjoy some. Thank you so much for standing by with me. Kindly try your hands on it and send me your comments. So you see, I am enjoying mine with some kinky. So trust me, try it and you love it. I love you guys. Bye.